Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can do the dubbing on the Vidnoz AI website. If you want to dub any kind of video, you can also do that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to scroll down and you will get this option AI tools option. So we have to click on the AI tools option and then simply we have to scroll down and you will get this option video AI dubbing. So we have to click on this option. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see now, simply if you want to upload your video, you can also do that. Or if you want to provide the video URL, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on the upload video. It's up to you. And then simply we have to choose the original language of the video that video exists. For example, I'm going to choose the English because the video is in the English. And we have to choose the dubbing language, that in which language you want to dub your video or audio video. And now simply we have to choose, for example, I'm going to choose this one here. And as you can see, if you want to add the subtitles, you can also do that. But in the free version, you can't add that. And after doing these all changes, as you can see, I have not edited any kind of video. That's why it's not showing. For example, we are going to click on the upload video. And now we have to choose the video. I'm going to upload this video here. So as you can see, the video is uploading. We have to wait for a few seconds. And now simply we have to click on the dub videos now. Let's click on this. And after that, our video will be dubbed. So in this way, you can use the AI dubbing option on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.